Storm damage job today. Russian olive blew over. Just got a new saw. Jesus Christ. MS200T, or not an MS200T, that's my climbing saw. Got an MS271, 50 cc's. Good little, like, mid-range saw. So we're taking down that guy, and then we're getting rid of this fallen tree off of all this brush, or off of all these little trees and stuff. It's her main concern. So we're just gonna start piecing it out real slow and go from there. Got my saw stuck, so that's cool. Got my chain back. Danger factor on this tree is like 0 now. It's only dangerous when it's like really weirdly suspended like that. But yeah, I'm gonna make this notch on that right now. Well, the phone tipped over, but got this done. Had to cut the hinge wood because it was hanging on, and you know, it wasn't really gonna go anywhere, so it was fine. Still just getting it bucked up, nice and slow. I want to talk about this saw for a second. Got this shit. I can't believe how well it works. I bought this at Ace Hardware yesterday, and it's, you know, not a Pro Series. It's a 7, so it's a 271. It's 50 cc's, but dude, this thing works like infinitely better than I thought it was. When I was working for
real tree service using like 500Is and stuff. And like, obviously I'm not going to say this is anywhere near 500I, but like, I mean, that's not big wood, but that's not like super small wood, and it cut great. Super, super well. It came with a light bar, which is sweet. A free hat as well. And this thing just like, I don't know, it looks almost the same as the Pro Series saws, which is nice because some of those other ones with the like the screw-on gas caps and stuff, I just don't like that as much. But $500 for a 50cc saw, that's not terrible. You know, this is gonna be better than a Holz Forma or something, and I'm not doing tree work very often, so this is perfect for me. I'm glad I bought it though, because this would have been a little much for the 14-inch bar on the 200T. I'm doing my best to think about tension and compression, but this is my first storm damage job, so show you guys the mess we got going on. So we still got this stem, spar, whatever. Got some brush over here. Got this brush pile. Still got to take down this one, but we're putting in work. Getting there pretty quick, honestly. It's only been an hour. Just the work rig. That's pretty good. So this is why this tree failed. It's got some pretty bad root rot. As you can see, that wood up there is healthy though. Some insect or something. Great example of some root rot. That's taken care of. Got it all cut up. It's cleared. Now we're gonna drop this guy.
Already ran a full tank of gas through. Yeah, but now we're done, so I'm basically just gonna make a big old pile of brush so I can come back and throw it in the trailer, and then that'll be the day. Super happy with my new saw. Very impressed with it. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse than it was, but this thing actually kind of rips. Pretty fire. Got it down safe. Going home. I'm gonna go play some fucking Rocket League. All finished up here. Got a huge pile of brush. The wood's all underneath of it. I only used this a very, very, very little bit today. I'm glad I bought a bigger saw for this. MS-271. So this is all just a big old brush pile. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and throw it in a trailer. Decent sized wood. Got it all clear. Sweet. Work truck's a fucking 04 F-250 and the daily.